guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Kirana from Kirana. Today I will to experiment. Number one. This is a magic of volcano. This is a making soda. This is a making soda. This is a vinegar. And this is a color. Water put under the water. And it's spinning time. And this color put on the volcano.
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
And
this is a making soda. It's time to magic. Science. Time to magic. Abacadabra. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
yang banyak so.
Banyak? Wow! This is a volcano. It's loud. It's the magic. Again?
Lagi? Taruh lagi airnya.
Warna hijau. Banyak?
Magic.
This is magic. Number two. This is a floating egg. 1, 2, 3. Bang!
Ya ulangi.
This is a water, this is a egg, and this is a spoon. Now,
Put egg in.
put egg under the water and let it float. Oh, wow, it's sand. Now, I will magic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah. I will put egg in the water to sing a pro. Now see, floating. It's magic.